However, if you are someone like me who wants to start a software business but you have no idea what software that you want to build, make sure that you pay very close attention to this video. Hello guys, welcome back to in this video we are going to generate business ideas using Startup AI. For those of you who already knew what software that you want to build, you can feel free to skip this video. However, if you are someone like me who wants to start a software business but you have no idea what software that you want to build, make sure that you pay very close attention to this video. Okay, so now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to sign up. So just click sign up for free. And I'm going to sign up using my Gmail account. As you guys can see, I got redirected to my dashboard. Okay, so next, just click generate ideas. Startup AI is very easy to use, guys. Firstly, you will need to select which business sector that you are interested in. As you guys can see, there are many options. For example, online communities, recruiting, investing, transportations, insurance, hardware, productivity, women's health, real estate, aerospace, software as a service or SaaS. In this case, I'm going to select software as a service. So just click this and now just click advanced mode. Okay, so you can select the industry, guys. There are many options. I'm going to select technology. And you will also need to select the market size. There are many options. I'm going to select growing. Okay, so next you will need to select the business model. There are many options, guys. B2B, business to business, B2C, business to customer, subscriptions, marketplace, e-commerce, freemium, on demand. I'm going to select SaaS. And lastly, you will also need to select the startup complexity. There are like 4 options: small, medium, large, and X large. I'm going to select medium. And if you want to add like additional informations, just type in here, right? Okay, so now I'm going to click generate idea. So just click that. Okay, so just wait. Startup AI is generating the business idea. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So just wait. Alright, so here is the business idea: personal finance management software. Okay, so now let's read the descriptions. Managing and organizing personal finance can be frustrating and time-consuming task for many individuals. A startup could develop a SaaS platform that integrates with bank account and credit cards to provide automated budgeting, expense tracking, and financial planning. This platform can also generate personalized financial insights and recommendations to help users make informed decisions. In addition to that, the global personal finance software market size is projected to reach 1.6 billion US dollar by 2026 with a CAGR of 6.2%. So the market size is very big, guys. Okay, so down here there are several follow-up questions. So if you want to get the answer to these follow-up questions like risks and challenges, growth potentials, implementations, you can click generate solutions. However, in this case, I'm going to generate the full report. So I'm going to click this and just click generate full report. Okay, so just wait, guys. The process might take between 3 and 5 minutes. And Startup AI is going to send you an email, all right? So just go to your email inbox. However, if you cannot find it in your email inbox, then just go to the spam sections, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait and I'm going to return once I got the email. So I'll see you guys there. Finally, the report is ready, guys. Actually, it didn't take too long. It only took 2 minutes or maybe even less than 2 minutes. So this report is very comprehensive, guys. Look at this. This report has several sections like branding, industry insights, SWOT analysis, pastel analysis, market research, business one-pager, product requirements, path to MVP or minimum viable products, marketing plan, and go-to-market strategy. Okay, so if you want to download this report, it is very easy. just click on this PDF icon and just click download, right? Just click save. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.